We as installers years ago had a very hard time finding quality products, so we decided we had to go out and get our own made for us.
We started getting requests from other individuals who wanted to purchase our materials to do their own projects. And we saw the opportunity to develop our online store that would assist those customers in purchasing those products.
We only sell materials that we would use ourselves on our own projects. 100% solids epoxies, a single component polyaspartic, which is the easiest in the market to install. These materials ultimately make it easier for you to install them and have a profitable job and a successful project.
We developed our website so that it would be a much easier shopping experience for our customers. We developed names of our products that describe what it is. We put together kits that made it easier for our customers to purchase based on whatever square foot they had. And the checkout experience, we also tried to make that as simple as possible.
We're a company that's been around for almost 30 years now. We've experienced virtually everything you can possibly encounter.
And now we can share that with our customers to help them better understand what they're going to get into when they start their projects.
My entire life has been concrete since I was a young teenager. That's all I've done is concrete. It's in my blood. That's my life. That's my future. We want you to have a successful project. We want you to have a successful business. We're willing to share our knowledge to help you get there.